I stood on the plug and it wouldn't be considered safe to use, but all is not lost. We can just fit a new one. First off, remove the fuse. And you can see there it's 5 amp, so we'll use that in the replacement. So just pop it out. Turn it over to one side. Then with the snips, just cut off the dead one, not the damaged one. Put it off to one side. With the replacement, what you'll need to do then is just measure the length of the plug. So it comes back to about here. Then with a knife, just gently go around and get the insulation off it. So just make sure that you don't go too deep, or you can cut into the necessary wiring that you're going to use, and that could be dangerous also. So now you have the wires exposed, and in this case the brown is live, blue is neutral, and the green and yellow is earth or ground. With your screwdriver, open the plug. And inside you'll see a fuse that's already there. Just check the fuse to see what it is, as you want to replace it like for like. And it turns out that the fuse in this one is a 3 amp. Just turn it around there so that you can see it. And what we do then is we'll make sure that the 5 amp goes into this one. So now you have your 3 points of contact for your wiring. So the one with the fuse would be the live, and as you can see it just there, L for live. The one over here is your neutral, N for neutral, and the one up here is your earth or your ground, this one here. So we'll just place that down. Oh, I just forgot to mention that the depth that you want to use, in this case we will go for the neutral. You can see there it's probably about a 1/4 inch. So, and it would be the same all the way around. So what we'll do is then we'll pair back each of the cables about a 1/4 inch. So just gently run it along. Again with the brown for the live, just gently enough to get the insulator off, and again now twist them. When you twist them, it'll tighten up the wiring, so then when you tighten down it, instead of the little screw splaying out the wiring, it'll keep the wiring tight. I put that to one side, and we can start with the earth. So you can put it in. If you want, you can leave it in place and put it in, or what you can do is you can just push the pin out and then put the earth or ground in, tighten it down just like that. Tighten it down as much as you can with it in your hand. So we have that there, so that goes up. And let's go for the neutral. Again, we can just push that into place and tighten that down. And now the live, so we'll take that out of place. Just open that up a little and put that in and tighten down. So there, we're ready to put it into place. So turn this back around again, and blue is neutral, green and yellow is earth, and brown is live. So push them all into place. And with your 5 amp, pop that in. Now push them down and nice and snug into place. When they're in place, then tighten again. Just make sure they're good and tight. If you have them too loose, if the wire pops out, it could touch off another wire, and we don't want that. So with them all in place, looks nice and neat. Pop the cap on, screw it down, and we're all done.